Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 easy and delicious ways on how to make overnight oats. These are like the easiest and quickest and fast breakfast you can make yourself in the morning. We're going to start with 1/3 of a cup of old-fashioned oats, then 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, half a cup of almond milk or whatever milk that you have. It could be whole. It's better if you use milk, but you can definitely use water if you prefer that. This will be pretty much our base for the entire oatmeals. For this one, I am doing a mixed berries and I am using the frozen one. You can use the regular fruit. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of raw honey for our sweetener. You can use sugar or any type of sweetener that you would like. I loved the taste of the honey and that's why I use this one. I'm using the 8-ounce mason jar. These ones are like the perfect size for a breakfast, and trust me, it will fill you up once you are ready to eat it. For our second one, we are doing a chocolate banana overnight oats. We are going to start with the same, our base, which is 1/3 of a cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, half a cup of almond milk, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. With that, we're going to add some frozen bananas, and you can see that I am pretty much using frozen bananas and berries. I love to use the frozen ones, but again, you can use the regular one, and that is it for our second overnight oats. For the third one, we are doing a strawberry vanilla overnight oats, and again, we are starting with our base. We are going to add some strawberries and about 1 teaspoon of raw honey and vanilla. Mix it well so that all the ingredients get combined, or you can also shake the mason jar once you close it down. For our fourth oatmeal, we are gonna do a PB&J. This one, it's really delicious. I love how it tastes. It literally tastes like if you are eating a PB&J sandwich. We're gonna start again with our base, and then on that we are gonna add about 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. I am only using 1 teaspoon, but depending on the size of your mason jar, it will depend on the amount of PB&J that you're gonna add. Then we're gonna add milk. On this one, I did add whole milk and top it off with some frozen fruits. I am using strawberries, and you can see that I only use 3 types of frozen fruits, and that it's because we are starting with meal prepping, and I am trying to use the same fruits. That way I can also save some money. For our last overnight oats, we are doing a strawberry banana overnight oats, and again, we are starting with our base, and I did use almond milk on this one. Again, you can use any type of milk, but it would all depend on your preference. I am adding the frozen strawberries and also frozen bananas and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix, close them, and put them on the fridge for overnight. Again, I am doing this for a week of prepping meals, so this will be our breakfast for the entire week. Once you are ready to eat your overnight oats, you can pop them in the microwave or eat them cold the way they are. I love to eat them hot, so we do put them in the microwave for about 1 minute, and sometimes we do add more milk. Another thing that you can add is toppings. You can add walnuts or pecans or any type of nuts that you would like. I didn't want to add any of those because I don't want them to get soggy, since all of this are going to be for the entire week. You can also add any of the fruits that you are using on that particular day, and there you have it, 5 easy and delicious ways on how to do overnight oats. Hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe and turn on your bell notifications because we are doing more meal prepping for the week and you don't want to miss any of that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.